Hey everybody, Paul down here at the Jubilee Best Hub, and I'm going to give you guys a little talk today about the use of materials in a bill of materials, which is BOM. And we're going to talk today about how is an easy way to keep track of all of the items which you use. So when you go to kickoff, after the big hoopla and showing you the new field and everything, you guys are going to go and you're going to get a boxes of materials, and in there is going to be a bunch of items. So one of the items that I listed here is a low profile linear guide system. The company that provides that to the best organization is Dryline. So if you go to and look up online Dryline, you would be able to find a part that they list here. In this particular case, I've just selected one, which is a low profile linear guide system. The part number that Dryline provides in their world is NK01 27 2 450. But you see, each of these items are all broken into pieces. So Dryline, and I'm just taking a wild guess here, is that each of these breakouts is used in their process to keep track of their items. But that is crazy. Could you imagine going out and your fellow teammates and saying, "Oh, I need that linear guide system." They're like, "What is it?" "Oh, I need that NK01272-450. That's a 0, not an O, so we'll put a line through it. In our case, at our hub or at our school, I've taken to using a far simpler way of determining what a part is, and that is by simply saying that C, which is consumable. Now, if you guys are familiar with the BEST program, you have consumable items which you can modify, change, and the school is not required to return to the main hub. There are returnable items which we designate with an R. Those are items like the motors, the controller, the joystick. Those cannot be modified in any way. No tape, no markers on it. You can't drill, cut, modify, or anything. They have to be returned in their original boxes back to the hub. So in our case, this low profile guide happened to be the second item on the list. So we simply designate it, because it's a consumable. The type of use is C, consumable. It was the second, so we would designate it 002. The next item is like a little bearing. It's also from Dryline. That would be C003. And so forth. And when you get to the 13th item, we would simply just 13. So which is easier? Give me the linear guide system or give me C00 whatever? Well, for me, I like to do this. It makes it really easy to inventory. You can take and write the simple small numbers on every single item. You have things like plywood. Plywood doesn't have a part number. Well, it can. Let's say that 13 is plywood. It's the 3/8 inch plywood. All I have to do is say, hey, I need some C013. And if it's properly labeled, I get the exact same thing that I'm looking for, and it makes it really, really easy, guys. The returnable items, kind of the same thing. 0, 0, and a number, and you go from there. So let's see, we've got OEM, which is an acronym for original equipment manufacturers. We've got BOM, bill of materials. And anyway, hope that guy will help you guys with keeping track of your inventory. Sure works well for us, and I appreciate your time. Good luck building your robot, and hope this video helps. Hey, and if you like it, leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you.